Good morning, it's 10 to 6 and getting my bus to Bracknell and Bracknell to Windsor and the train to stay until breakfast at Osborne's, and this could be the week. And I believe they worked over the weekend as well because they've got a crane to make the move stuff. So yeah, oh, I'm tired, but I only had 5 hours sleep. It's our last night. But yeah, let's go. Welcome to Bracknell. And my breakfast has just arrived as I got my hot chocolate. And I don't know what to expect today. And yeah, I've spent a while in here just to relax, get warm, and see what it takes really. Oh, that's warming up a little bit. Right then, here we are. I'm feeling alright a little bit now. I think. It's Monday feeling today. It's called Moody Mondays. And yeah, I needed a rest at Wetherspoons. I pressed the stop button and the driver and everyone, the passenger just went, "Who clicked that button?" I was like, am I allowed to press it or not? They're like, yeah, but you know, you've been a little while on this bus, you know. I was like, yes, I know where I'm going, I know where I'm getting off. And all of a sudden, oh, you see that right, young man? It's so big, isn't it? I can see it from my house, you know. I was like, I bet you can. It's massive. And literally, I was just like, what's actually going on right now? But honestly, it's good to see people interacting with me this morning to make sure I'm awake and knowing where I'm going, because I know exactly where I am. Because I just said to, oh my God. Now I'm lost for words. Look at it. Whoa. Oh. But yeah, it's nice to see people talking to me on a bus, but it was just such a bizarre thing. I'm allowed to press the stop button for the bus, but I then got distracted by hearing people saying, oh, look at that ride. It was one of those things I was just like, is everything going to be alright today? But literally, my word, look at it. Unbelievable, it really is. Been on Hyperia. I cannot believe this. Welcome to Monk's Walk. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, I think we've had quite a few days of rain, haven't we? Oh my goodness. Oh. Hello. Wow, that's Monk's Walk for you. It's only going to get worse now, isn't it? Because there's only more. God. Great. So they are actually putting nuts and bolts for the final top bit, which is not going up just yet, but they are around working, putting nuts and bolts in. So it's like, it's not just put a piece of track together, they're putting like big metal structure underneath it, so where the chains go round back itself, sort of thing, and where people, engineers, could get there and making sure all the lift till motors are fine. It's that sort of thing, really. So yeah, the engineer of Mack Rides is actually, as I'm speaking, doing something to it. So it's just making sure nuts and bolts are tight and secure and then once it's all ready, and once more track goes up with catwalks, then the final bit will go up. I think it's the final one. I'm still saying it's the final one, but I think it is, because that's the tallest ride to show to the world and UK what they've got installed. That's going to be a big day.
Oh, great.
Here we go. So yes, they're drilling, getting ready for the top section, which hopefully won't be too long. And yes, I've just realised they've just put some more land to make it nice and comfortable. Look at those, interesting. The land is looking very good now. Right, let's focus on this. So yes, I know it seems a bit random showing you bricks, but they probably are for the main plaza and the queue line, so to make it more nice and modern when it's all officially done with the tracks and supports, and then they can really start doing groundworks and queue lines, electricians for the sound system for audios, and just to make it immersed when it comes to that stage once everything's all up. So really, it's a lovely day, but Monk's Walk is wild today. I mean, I'm just so excited, really am excited, and yeah, just very am. It's about time we need some nice weather though. So much rain has happened, it's quite unreal though. So yeah, I'm just enjoying being part of this moment really, and seeing the moment when it all happens really. The gold panels arrived for this. It's gonna look beautiful. Right then, somebody's back again with their treats.
Hello.
What have you brought this time?
My bag is full. Would you like any Doritos?
I'm alright. I'm alright.
Hold on. I've got the mini eggs.
Oh, everybody's excited about mini eggs.
And then I got myself my drink because I need a drink.
Give me a drink.
Give me a drink.
Give me a drink.
We're still working on the top section of the lift too, off the track, should I say? It's at the ground at the minute. They're still trying to get it ready when it's all completed. Look at that support. Enjoying yourself there?
I'm going for a swim, Dom.
It's been very quiet in the last hour, and I'm not gonna lie, it's very quiet at the minute. I think they're on lunch as well, but like, it's just been very quiet. Oh, they've put more gold themes to it. So yeah, I'll do my best with what I can show you today. Wow, we've been waiting long enough. We're finally getting something in. Yes! That's a big one.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's in my shoe.
Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Lewis, are you excited for today? Let's.
Come on. Shaking keys with excitement.
That's very interesting sounding. Come on. Welcome again.
Yeah.
Yes, much better day ahead of today.
As you can see.
So, Thorpe Park have put some more landscape to where the supports are, and we saw a bit of plants. Oh, we love a bit of plants, don't we? There's more there.
Going over there.
Yeah, no, it's true. Yeah.
Oh!
Keep going to place.
What was that? What was that about?
That's on here for what?
Here we go, finally track's moving. Oh, we've been waiting 8 hours down Monkswell yesterday down here, and today is the day. They are putting it up today. Don't make me muddy. After the first criticism of the day. Yeah, it's definitely moving, it's definitely moving. Yeah, it's definitely moving. Come on.
The track is moving.
I thought you said the dragon's moving. But where? So much exciting, we have to go through this. Here we go, the lift hill structure of the track is going to be connected now, and we are on the last two after this one, I believe.
No.
I'm enjoying every minute of my life watching this, especially being here. That is in. Look at it, it's getting higher and higher now. Whoa, look at the size of it! Wow. Here we go. The golden moment begins. Fancy a beer after this. Or a Chinese buffet. That's actually mental, you know. 2 pieces into one. Wow. Oh my God. Let's go! Let's go! Oh, good, lovely boots.
Capturing the moment!
Capturing the moment of history makers. I don't. We've been waiting for this for so long.
Oh, it's funny down here.
Oh no, I don't mind if I do to celebrate it. What a moment! Oh my God!
Oh, look at this.
Look at it!
I'm not doing that. Oh my God.
Welcome to Monkswell, because it's a celebration to see after weeks and months. Come on!
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Getting there now.
We are 99% after this connects for the final bit. History books, ladies and gentlemen.
And that storm, that main cloud has come at just the
Yep.
perfect time.
I forgot to bring an umbrella, but guess what? Happy days. I live the joy of happiness. This is insane. Like, generally, I just cannot imagine being up there.
So you get there, as you can hear there now,
The best bit is knowing it's all safety now.
bolts, and then we drilled in place.
Look at this. The best roller coaster at Full Park is coming. Look at the size of it. What do you think?
Oh, insane, honestly. It's just mad. I think now it is just one section of track and we're done.
Yeah, 99%. Also, they've also put two pieces into one, which you've probably seen in the video. Sean, let's see.
Honestly, this is exciting. Like, it's been a month since we've seen it, you know, so see you later.
Have a good one.
Seeing it like this again, it looks phenomenal. That first drop, we're looking at one of the best first drops in the world there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, the front, you're going to get some incredible hang time. The back, you're going to get whipped over it.
Yeah.
It's going to be a special ride, this. Like,
Oh,
just
yeah.
seeing it now, really exciting.
Absolutely.
What a moment. And the main event to come.
Oh yeah, the golden moment is to ride it. Luke.
That opening.
I've got no words really.
Yeah.
Literally just that little bit left.
It's crazy. And then we've been watching this for weeks and weeks, and there's a lot more people down there today. As you can see, there's a lot more people down there just to see this. And it can go, it's only going to be interesting now. Oh, the golden year, it's almost here for completion.
Oh, Saturday, definitely Sunday.
And if you dare to ride it, you found your fillies on the mud. We've got plants, and guess where it came from? Look, yummy!
Look at that. Beautiful.
They came fresh, didn't they, from Hyperia?
Perfect. What a view.
Yummy! Honestly, what a day it's been. Unbelievable. It really is becoming reality now. One more to go. It was worth coming back today. Yesterday, as you've seen within this video, completely in total. Never done a 2 video in one update because yesterday was really bad. But it has to be said, it was windy yesterday, whereas today, these sounds of structure putting in, and we are one more away. So exciting. Most important thing, we've got some catwalk, like my fashion show. We've got one more thing to do before we end this video, is actually go over the bridge.
I'm so ready for this.
I'm literally so gonna be lost for words. We are 99% done.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh,
It's ridiculous, man.
look at that.
Wait for it. Oh, yes.
Yo.
Oh. And the next step, that will be 100% complete.
100%.
Cannot believe it.
When that is, I have no idea.
No.
But we're just
But we're-
so excited hopefully.
It's about checking back every day now.
Yeah.
I'm hoping they do it.
I mean, I don't know.
Don't know when that'll be, but
Yeah, I don't know when that is going to be happening. But Ben, what are you feeling, Luke?
Brilliant! Oh my god!
Bring on Hyperia. It's mad.
insane.
99% done.
It's the fact we're saying that, like,
It's mad, isn't it? It's been a lifetime journey watching this.
it's just to think, once they top that coaster off, like, that's the end of the construction updates. That is it.
Yeah.
It's 100% done.
I just need to see
There
test
is
runs,
Test runs, that's the next big one.
merchandises.
Yeah. Because
And-
once it starts, it's all landscaping now. Getting the station ready,
Oh,
trains on site.
Yes.
Trains is probably, I'll probably say that's the next big thing, is trains arriving.
Oh, yes.
That is a massive moment.
Oh, still speculation of the colours of the train. We've been up since 6 o'clock today, and it's all about the next update now. Whenever that is, I don't know yet, but very exciting times ahead. That's been Luke today, if he's still there.
I'm here.
And yeah, that's been Lewis, and this has been a lifetime journey. I don't know what to expect when the next update is, but
Big couple of years.
just think, whatever the next update is, it will be hopefully soon. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Good night and good day.
Good day.
Good day. It's
Good night, mate.
See you later.